Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So today's video let's make beautiful classical Christmas worth. Start with the worth frame and work fresh pins branches all around square with flower wire so everything stay in place. Now add pincones, red berries and a few gold ornaments, finishing with a big red bow at the bottom. Hang it on your door for a warm holiday welcome. Snow White worth. Let's creative a cozy snow worth. Take a worth base and spray it with fixed snow for a forest look, and silver ornaments with flowers and glitter leaves. Warm fairy lights around for a magical glow. This worth look perfect on doors, windows or above the fireplace. Lantern and snow centerpiece. Want a magical Christmas centerpiece? Place a lantern with the warm LED candles in the center of your table. Surround around it with pins, branches, pincones, and tiny Christmas tree. Add a spark of artificial snow for that winter wonderland effects. It's simple, elegant, and perfect for holidays dinner. Here an easy but stunning Christmas centerpiece ideas. Take a clear glass bowl and fill it with water. Add fresh cranberries and a few rosemary sprigs. Place floating candles on the top and light them. This creative a cozy glow that perfect for Christmas Eve. Tire tray Christmas display. Let's decorate a tire tray for Christmas. Place mini ornaments, candy canes, and pincones on each tire. Add little Santa and reindeer figures for a festive touch. Top it off with the star or ribbon bow. This make a beautiful centerpiece for your dining or coffee tables. Friends and I hope you like my videos.